Okay, as you can see here, this is a sun. Oh, the sun. And it's not going to be the only star for long. Because today we're going to make our planets stars, you know. Turn our planets into stars. Now, I know you may be going like, well, Jonathan, Jupiter is a failed star. So obviously that's going to be the only one today that will likely become a star. Lies. Anything can become a star in Universe Sandbox too. You just gotta like make it more dense, increase its radius and mass, and eventually it'll turn into a low mass star. Okay. But we're gonna count like how much it needs to take for it to turn into a star. So first we have Mercury. Now this is a sad, burnt Mercury. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna name it Burnt Rock. Because that's pretty much what it is. It's pretty much just a burnt rock. I don't know why I'm saying this to Mercury. Okay. So, I might change it to density. And you see, it has the radius of 383 Earths. And the mass is only slightly so smaller. So we increase it. Actually, you know what? I wish it went so fast. My bad. Okay, you know what? Start it over. Because that was stupid of me. I don't know why. I just went too fast. My bad, okay. You're still burnt rock, Mercury. You do know that, right? Actually, you know what? To make you sound a little bit better, a burnt stone. I always say that. But no, burnt rock. Actually, no. Burnt rock sounds better. Let me know in the comments what you think a better name is for Mercury. Like a funny name. Just yeah. Okay. Let's times it multiply by 2. And now it's slightly less sad. Well, the size of it is. It's still a sad burnt rock, though. Don't get me wrong. You know what? I need a flashlight on. I can't see it. Always. Actually, you know what? Let's do that. I have no idea why I just did. And not do that. Okay. So a burnt rock here. You have burnt rock, or also known as Mercury. You just times it by 2. Now let's do that again. Okay, now it's about time to say it's not really a burnt rock anymore, but a burnt boulder. But we'll keep the burnt rock anyway. So, since we times it by 2 again, now it's set to 3 Earths. But no, the mass is way larger, so I don't think that's actually 3 Earths. Sometimes that'll happen, yeah. Sometimes it'll have more mass than like it should. Maybe I'm wrong. You times it 2 by again. Mercury is like 7/10 of a Jupiter in mass. Not in radius. It's only 6 Earths. But yeah, almost mass of Jupiter. Does that bug the sun at all? Does it bug you? Okay, no, the star is like completely fine. Actually, what if we speed time up? I think that'll work. I think that's what we need to do to make the sun annoyed. Actually, you know what? The sun can totally tolerate it somehow. It's not like going with the flow. It's just staying there. Okay. Now it's a Jupiter in size and 5.7 Jupiters in mass. Beat that Jupiter. Oh my god, the star is lucky enough to just stay in place. Oh my god. Ooh! It's a hot Jupiter. That's what they call it, right? Yeah, it's a hot Jupiter. Ooh. Well, that's a problem. Because now I can't tell if that's technically a star or not, because the average temperature is kind of coming from itself, kind of, not really. And it's kind of a brown dwarf, but like without the brown part. Oh, there we go. Now the sun's getting pissed off. And now it's a Jupiter. Now it's no longer Jupiter. A hot Jupiter, my bad. It's a low mass star now. And now the solar system. No, Venus! Oh no! 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 Oh, phew, that Venus is... Oh, thank God Venus is alright. Now, we don't want to lose any of our planets, don't we? Venus is getting... No! No, Earth! Earth, no! Stop! No! Don't! Don't run away! Okay, whatever. This burnt rock is now getting on my nerves because of what it done to Venus and Earth. Actually, no, Venus is still okay. Actually, Venus looks like it's totally alright. What am I saying? It's just the orbit's kind of unstable, but Earth, we can say goodbye to Earth, I think. Let's see how the rest of the solar system does. Okay, yeah. The whole Giga solar system is doing too well. Ooh, good Jupiter and Saturn. They're getting really close. It's like, whoa, 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 whoa! Hold up! Hold up, Saturn! Okay, this burnt rock is no longer a rock. I'm gonna call it just a burnt Jupiter, because it was just like it was just a hot Jupiter a second ago. What's happening to Venus? Why is it glowing? Venus, you alright, buddy? Oh yeah, that looks like it's alright. When you consider losing like when Venus is literally puking. That's when you know things aren't alright. Yep, Venus is not alright. It's losing mass. I literally see it losing. You see? Wait. Wait, was that from Venus? I actually don't know. But yeah. Well, that took about like 6, right? I forgot. I couldn't keep track. That's stupid of me. Alright. Wasn't this the size of Mercury when it first was? I'm pretty sure I'd multiply it 9 times to make it. Now it's just simply lies in, well, as you can see, lies in peace. This is burnt Jupiter. It's just a blue star now. Can't go back to its burnt state. Just a burnt Mercury state, you know. Okay. Well, let's go back. And this time we're going to Venus. Now last time Venus was not doing so well when Mercury turned into a star, so let's see what happens this time when I do this to Venus. I mean, Venus has a bad atmosphere, so I'm not sure how Venus is going to handle this when I grow it. Okay. Well, that was an instant multiply, and now it's bigger than Earth. Look at that. Hey, it already has the mass of well 6.5 Earths. Wait a minute. What is happening? What? Why are the numbers changing every time I'm doing this? That's a weird glitch. Oh no, then that means that doesn't count. Oh darn. What have I done? Okay, back to where we started. Back at the drawing board. Okay. Flashlight on. More radius on. Alright, so that's 2 times. You can kind of already see its surface better now. Not just its atmosphere. Let's start 3rd time. Oh my god. You just look like... your texture just looks like a rusty can. Yeah, this looks normal. Wait, is this absolute 0? I think that's absolute 0. Really, Venus? When you're right next to the sun? And I just row you and this is what happens? Oh. Why is it glowing? I'm pretty sure that was like, what, the 4th time I multiplied it? And this is what happens. Why is it glowing and how? Why? Why is it glowing and burning when it's literally, well, what you can see here, apparently negative like 330 degrees Fahrenheit. Like, what is this? It's like a mix of fire and ice. Okay, well, POV, I just mixed fire and ice. Now let's multiply again. Okay. See that? Every time I just multiply, like every time I multiply it by 2, it resets, kind of resets its temperature and makes it go down again. Hey, looks like it's causing some problems for Mercury though. Wait, was that the 5th time multiplied it? This is the 6th time. Oh. Well, that was quick. Okay then, 6 times is how many times it takes. And Mercury's having some problems. Now Venus gets revenge for what Mercury has done to it. Okay. So let's focus on Earth here. It's our home planet. And it won't be home for long, because, well, no more home for us, I guess. 2 times, and yeah, that's why we kind of need to worry about global sea level rising, because that's what happens. We just lose all our land just when if I do it like once. Flashlight, okay. Yeah, at least this is all. Hey! Our polar ice caps are still here though. They're still intact. Oh, I see. It's probably just like the water just like rised from like the radius. Actually, I don't know. That's confusing. I'm not a person who knows all about if this would happen or anything like that. So multiply again. I said multiply again. Okay. Why is it already doing that? Okay. The Earth is completely unrecognizable. Multiply again. Okay, not too much happens except for the mass is awkwardly like 2 times bigger than like the radius of 8 Earths. So that's like what? The 3rd time I multiplied, right? I think so. It doesn't matter. Alright, this is the 4th time it means. And now the Earth is a rainbow planet? I really like the design. It reminds me of like 5th Giant, like before I got ejected from the solar system. Alright, it's like the 7th. No, it's the 5th time. Now, the Earth is now a little brown dwarf. Look at that. Not considered a star yet. Forget about what I said there. Why? Well, how does that make any sense? Oh, it's because it was only slowly doing it. I see. It was only doing it by like slow amount. Oh, son. See what happens. Be careful. Oh no, Venus. No, Venus. She actually fell. It just collapses. Easily expected though. It's easily expected. So that was 5 times. Now if you want to know what Mars, how many times it takes for Mars to become a star. You gotta know what it looks like in the process. Obviously. Density. Times it by 1, and now it's instantly, basically an Earth. But very cold. Is this absolute 0? No, but it's very close. Why is it doing that? Why did this happen to Mars? Why is it so cold? I mean, it's basically the same size and mass as Earth at this point. I'm not sure why it would be so cold. Like, I know it's supposed to be like negative, like 60 degrees, like colder than it is at average temperature on Earth. No, not 60, like 100 degrees, like cooler. But like, the Earth is not negative 200 degrees. I'm gonna say, you know. Okay, well, now it's absolute zero. Now Mars is an icebreaker, whatever they call it these days. Oh, jawbreaker. It looks like a jawbreaker, kind of. That's what I'm gonna call it, a jawbreaker. Okay, so I was like, what? The second time multiply it? Now it's the third time I multiplied it. Wait a minute. I multiplied by my mass, so... Why do I keep making these mistakes? Honestly, you guys are probably way smarter than me. How did I forget? Okay. Multiply it by 1, multiply it by 2, multiply it by 3 times, multiply it 4 times, multiply it 5 times, multiply it 6 times. Maybe I should have done it. Maybe I should have done it slower. Right, well, 6 times it is then. Ooh. Earth's in trouble. No, Earth! This is like the second time I got... That's like the second time Earth got ejected from the solar system. No! Alright, now the obvious one, Jupiter. We don't need to know this. This is easy to know. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Yeah, that was quick. Let's see what happens till the asteroid belt and all the planets. The asteroid belt just goes flying. And it's now binary with the sun. Look at that. Hey, Venus and Mercury are doing more perfect than ever, kind of. Not really. No, not Venus, but like... Mercury's doing kind of well. Concerning the fact that it's following the sun. Where'd Earth go? Earth, you still there, buddy? Earth? You still there? There he is. Oh, there he is. It's just barely surviving. Okay. Now let's go to the second most obvious one, Saturn. Because who doesn't like turning Saturn into a star? There's one thing I'd like to do. It's turning Saturn into a star. Okay. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Again, 3. Let's see how the solar system reacts to this. Saturn just got as revenge for Jupiter for it turned into a star. Saturn didn't like that, so now Saturn turns into a star and gets revenge. Good. Alright, now let's go to Mr. Joke Planet. Uranus. Honestly, no one can think of a better joke, but and then use the Uranus joke. Now it's going to be very satisfying to see Uranus grow. I don't know why I said that. I'm so sorry. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Uranus is now hot. Alright, and now let's go to one of my favorites, Neptune. Pretty sure it's gonna be the same thing as Uranus, except for more child appropriate. Okay, yeah, same thing, 4 times. Let's see how the solar system reacts to this. Well, clearly the solar system's fine with it. Well, except for the sun, but you know, the sun's never having a good time, I don't think. Well, Uranus isn't having a good time either. But Pluto's doing alright for now. How high is Jupiter? That's a cold Jupiter, considering the fact that there's a little star like a few planets away. Let's look at some of these useless asteroids. No, I'm just joking, that's boring. Alright, well, if you all like this video, and please consider giving it a like, and please subscribe. We're very, very low on subscribers, so if you haven't yet, please subscribe. That'll do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.